Today we have a 2003 Citizen M-20. Machine has an LNS Express 326 magazine bar feed. It's got a chip conveyor, cool blaster high pressure coolant, main spindle, sub spindle, turret, gang tooling, full C-axis on both main and sub. And now we're going to run it. That's 500, 1500, 2500, 3500, and that's 4500 RPM. Now we're doing the C. Okay. All the tooling mounted will go with the machine as well. Sub spindle, 1000 RPM, 2500. That's 4500 RPM. C-axis. All right. Now we're doing turret. Now we're going to do the turret. Now we're going to run, we don't have a live tool mounted on the turret, but we're going to run the live tool drive. What's that? 3500. 3500. Okay. Does a gang tool for live tool spindles. That's 1500. 3000. All right. Okay, this machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.